Right, let's do a quick stock market update, and it looks ugly. This is being recorded on the 22nd of April 2022, so that's 22/04/22. That's the S&P 500 daily. You can see there's obviously a bit of a drop off and loss of points. Now, I've mentioned this 100 times before. That often happens when the MACD is starting to rise, gets close to the dotted line, which is its own moving average. It tends to go towards it and then move lower. That doesn't mean it's going to keep continuing lower, but it's just more likely to happen than not, and we've seen that now. Okay, if we look at the weekly, then that doesn't look promising either, and you've got more chances of a fall than a rise, because again, it's moving low. It doesn't mean that it will definitely continue lower, but the odds are, if you ask me which is the more likely direction, I'd say lower rather than higher. The extent of any falls, I do not know. I'm just saying I think there's more a 60 or 70% probability of falls than rises. Similarly with the NASDAQ, same story as you'd expect as the S&P 500. The FTSE 100 is slightly different. The FTSE 100 could go higher. I mean, the daily doesn't necessarily look like it's going to fall. So when we don't know what's going to happen on the dailies, we look at the weeklies, and the weeklies are going sideways. So that one is more, I'd probably say 55% likely to rise in the week or two going ahead. The Dow, as you'd expect, similar to the other two major US indices. It's gone up there, it's fallen. And what about on a weekly? Well, yeah, similar story to before. So I'd say greater probability of falls rather than rises, but we'll do another analysis next week. Things could change. That's why I'm not deploying capital at the moment. I've got friends saying, should I buy into Amazon? Should I buy into Meta? Should I buy into Netflix? I say, well, I look at the broader markets, and you'd really need very good stock-specific reasons why those stocks are going to do better, and why not just wait a week. So I'm going to wait, and then I'll reassess next week. If you'd like to learn more about investing more generally, have a look at my campaign for $1million.com. You'll get access to my Telegram, free downloads of my books, daily updates on the markets through the Telegram channel, an investment course completely free, and videos, articles. It'll make you into an expert.